If you're new to firearms and are looking for the perfect 9mm pistol, this list was made for you. 2025 has brought in a flood of options, but not all of them are beginner friendly. Some are too complicated, some are overpriced, and some just flat out suck for first time shooters. That's why I've narrowed it down to 6 pistols that are reliable, easy to use, and perfect for getting started the right way. Whether you're buying your first gun or helping someone else choose theirs, these are the 9mm that actually make sense. If you're new to handguns and want something really reliable without spending $700, pay attention. The Ruger Security 9 Compact might be the perfect starting point. This pistol flies under the radar in most lists, but for new shooters, it just makes sense. You're getting a compact, lightweight 9mm that's easy to control, simple to maintain, and costs around $350 to $400, which makes it one of the most budget-friendly options that still delivers on reliability. It's a hammer-fired design, which gives it a smoother trigger pull than most striker-fired guns in this price range. It also features a clean reset and minimal take-up, which makes a real difference for accuracy, especially when you're still building confidence on the range. It holds 10 plus 1 round standard, but you can also get extended mags for 15 plus 1 if you want more capacity. The grip texture isn't overly aggressive, and the slide is easy to rack. Perfect for those who might struggle with heavier spring tension, and here's the thing. It's not overloaded with extra features or gimmicks. No optics cuts, no tactical fluff, just a simple, dependable handgun that works right out of the box. If you want something no-nonsense that you can trust, the Ruger Security 9 Compact is a great first step into the world of 9mm pistols. Taking the top spot on our list is the Glock 19 Gen 5, and this one needs no introduction. When it comes to 9mm pistols for new users, the Glock 19 Gen 5 is a name that demands respect. Designed to be highly concealable, yet robust enough for home use, the Glock 19 Gen 5 packs a 15 plus 1 round capacity, which makes it an ideal home defense option, and its improved trigger design, ambidextrous slide stop, and enhanced grip texture ensure comfortable and secure handling, further translating to more accurate shot placement. If you're at home, of course, an accurate pistol is what you should be looking for. The Gen 5 model boasts several upgrades over previous Glock 19 generations, such as an improved barrel and a front slide serration for easier manipulation. It also features the Glock Marksman barrel for improved accuracy, making it a great choice for home defense situations that require precise tactical shooting. With its rugged construction, impressive performance, and proven track record, the Glock 19 Gen 5 is a timeless choice for those seeking a dependable and efficient self-defense firearm. As for the price, the Glock 19 Gen 5 costs around $500 to $700, which is an affordable option for new shooters. Coming in next is the Smith & Wesson M&P 9 Shield Plus. This gun is well known in the concealed carry community for its slim profile and lightweight design. Weighing in at just 20.8 ounces, it's very easy to forget you're even carrying it, and for a new shooter, you know what that means. The Smith & Wesson M&P Shield Plus represents a significant advancement in the popular M&P Shield series, offering firearm enthusiasts and concealed carry practitioners a reliable, compact option that combines performance with user-friendly features. It fits comfortably in most hand sizes while remaining easy to conceal. The standard model comes with a 10-round flush-fit magazine, but it also includes a 13-round extended magazine, which allows you to carry more firepower without compromising on its size. This increase in capacity addresses a common concern among concealed carry users while still maintaining a slim profile. As a beginner, all these just make sense because you're getting a pistol that doesn't need a lot of getting used to, plus you even just forget you're carrying it. That is until, of course, when danger lurks. If you want one of these, then be ready to shell out as high as $600. Crowning it the king of compact pistols may be doing too much, but the Springfield Armory Hellcat is certainly a great compact 9mm pistol that was designed for concealed carry and personal defense for new shooters. At a price of around $600, the Hellcat features a milled slide that accommodates the Springfield micro footprint, which makes it easy to attach optics. It also offers a magazine capacity of up to 17 rounds with an optional 10-round magazine for restricted regions. The fact that its compact design doesn't affect its capacity is excellent. The compact design is the reason it's suitable for concealed carry, self-defense, and everyday use. Feedback from users indicates that the Hellcat feels comfortable in the hand and is generally well received for its performance. Some early production models experienced reliability issues, but overall, it's considered a solid choice for anyone looking for a compact pistol. A great concealed carry self-defense pistol for you as a beginner is the Beretta APX Carry. Like the name implies, it's built to be carried about, and that's why it's designed to be very lightweight and easily concealable. You can just easily slot it into a holster and put it in your pocket without anyone noticing that you're carrying something, except of course, X-rays. In fact, the Beretta APX Carry was designed primarily for concealed carry and self-defense. The APX Carry also features a shorter trigger pull, which enhances shooting performance and accuracy. Some users have even noted improvements in trigger feel with newer models thanks to updates like a stainless steel trigger guide that smooths the trigger action. As a beginner, you'll find the APX Carry very reliable, compact, and extremely affordable. And speaking of prices, the Beretta APX Carry costs around just $300, which is a good place to start for a beginner. Plus, it also comes with the features of some other high-end pistols. If you're talking about modern handguns, then the Walther PDP Compact has to be in that conversation. If you're a new shooter, then you've found your guy. But it's also for those seeking enhanced performance in self-defense scenarios. The PDP Compact's weight distribution is something to take note of. Its balanced design minimizes felt recoil, allowing for quicker follow-up shots and reducing fatigue during extended shooting sessions. That's one thing you should look out for as a beginner. One of the most notable aspects of the PDP Compact is its optics-ready configuration. The slide features a factory milled cut designed to accommodate various red dot sights, allowing shooters to customize their setup for improved accuracy and target acquisition. The textured grip surface provides excellent traction, enhancing overall handling and confidence when firing. If you're also looking for versatile, trusty pistols, this one's a great choice. It's versatile enough for a variety of uses, including home defense, law enforcement, and competitive shooting, like I mentioned earlier. Its compact size makes it easy to carry, while its performance capabilities ensure it can hold its own in different shooting scenarios. The PDP Compact also boasts a magazine capacity of 15 rounds, providing you with a generous supply of ammunition without sacrificing compactness. The Walther PDP Compact has a price that typically ranges from $499 to $650. The Canic TP9 Elite SC is a pistol that offers an impressive blend of performance, reliability, and affordability. Designed by Turkish firearms manufacturer Canic, the TP9 Elite SC is a compact 9mm semi-automatic pistol that's perfect for concealed carry and personal defense. You know what that means, yeah? You're getting a pistol that's a perfect fit for your personal defense and concealed carry, so you don't have to worry about your safety or concealing your pistol. With a 3.6-inch barrel and a 12+1 round capacity, the TP9 Elite SC provides ample firepower in a small package, which makes it a versatile and practical choice for a variety of shooting conditions. This pistol has a short, crisp reset and a smooth, consistent pull that provides a trigger experience that's rarely found in a firearm at its price point. And with a variety of trigger options available, including a flat-faced and a traditional curved trigger, you can customize the pistol's trigger to suit your specific shooting preferences. Talking about price, the TP9 Elite SC can be purchased for around $500. That's a budget-friendly price for a pistol that packs that much quality. If you're new to firearms and are looking for the perfect 9mm pistol, this list was made for you. 2025 has brought in a flood of options, but not all of them are beginner-friendly. Some are too complicated, some are overpriced, and some just flat-out suck for first-time shooters. That's why I've narrowed it down to 6 pistols that are reliable, easy to use, and perfect for getting started the right way. Whether you're buying your first gun or helping someone else choose theirs, these are the 9mm that actually make sense. So those were the 6 solid choices for new gun owners in 2025, and honestly, you can't go wrong with any of them. Each one offers reliability, simplicity, and confidence without the learning curve of more advanced setups. If you're new to shooting and have questions, drop them in the comments. This is the perfect place to learn. Hit like, subscribe, and stick around because I've got more guides, breakdowns, and beginner tips on the way.